Hello everyone, Shraddha here. So today I will be talking about premium account features for LinkedIn. So there are three types of premium version on LinkedIn. First is basic, then business, and finally for recruiters. So I have taken the business purpose, like business version of LinkedIn Premium. So like for different versions there are different benefits. If you are a student, then you can go for basic version. If you are the founder of any company, so you can go for business, or maybe if you are in the top position of any company, so you can again go for business thing. And finally, if you are looking to hire somebody relevant to your business, or if you are like in that HR human resource field, then you can go for recruiter thing. So if I talk about like my version that I have taken, so business version, so you can see the benefits of it. I will be sharing all the benefits that they used to provide us. So first will be, you can send emails to anybody, like 15 emails to anybody outside your network within 1 month. 15 email within 1 month outside your network. Then second is, you can see whoever has viewed your profile within 365 days. It would be option There would be options like 14 days, 28 days, 90 days, and 365. So maximum will be 365 days. And when you use free version of it, so you can only check above maybe 5 to 10 like people who has viewed your profile. But if you are using premium version, then you can go for all the viewers within 365 days. And if you find anyone relevant, then you can connect with them. You can use your email credit to them that, hey, you have checked my profile. If there is something that you want to talk about or anything like this, you can send a pitch message to them. Then next is, you can go for like unlimited browsing. You can find multiple people within 1 day, or there is no limit to search on when you use premium version. While when you use basic version, so there is a limit. After that limit, you won't be able to go for like new browsing. Next is, if you are next is you can get a lot of courses there. You can find multiple courses, and then you can learn those courses. You will be getting certificates too. Then next is, finally, stay competitive with company insights. So if you are having a company, or maybe if you are working for any company, you are in social media field, or maybe you are in digital marketing field, so you can check your company insights or say analytics, as well as you can add other your competitors in the list, and you can understand the difference between how they are growing, how you are growing. And LinkedIn also sends you a few trending posts based on your competitor. Then from those posts, you can get idea that what kind of audience in your field is what kind of content in your field is mostly liking by your audience. So yeah, you can go for it. Some other benefits will be private browsing, like you can check other profile without maybe without showing your name, if you are using that option. Then open your profile will be open when we use free version of it. So it would be like only a few people will be able to see your profile, only your connections. If you are even posting something, so your reach will be limited, your post reach will be limited. Then next will be premium tips. So you will be getting premium tips and recommendation on mail, and through mails by LinkedIn. Also they will be like sending some notifications to you. Then goal, apply to 5+ job. You can see these things if you are in hiring team, or maybe if you want others to hire you, so you can use this. See how you rank. So there are different things. Premium badge, you will be getting a premium badge that I am also getting in my profile. Then interview preparation, they used to share videos or tips for interview preparation. If you are in college or looking for preparing for job and want somebody who can help you in preparing your interview. Then resume insights, send in mail message that I have already shared about. And all the last thing are the same that we discussed in the very beginning. So yeah, you can just explore it. And yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to cover with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye.